Hey friends, if you encounter this, the application encountered an unrecoverable error while playing the Roblox application, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So let's go quick into the process. We need to make sure that our graphics card driver is updated. So simply make a right click at the start button and then select device manager. Or you can just simply make a search for it in the Windows search bar. Type here device manager. Best match. Go ahead and click on that. Then here in the device manager window, you need to look for the display adapters. This is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now I have Intel graphics card driver, so you might have a different graphics card driver like Nvidia or any other graphics card driver. Just make a right click and then select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Just simply click on close this windows. Then we are also going to clear the cache of our Google Chrome browser. So type here Chrome. Google Chrome will appear under the best match. Now here in the Google Chrome window, you need to locate the three dots. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. You have to click on that. Simply scroll down and look for settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Then on the left pane, you need to look for privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Then simply scroll down and you will find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more under privacy and security. Click on that. Then here you have basic and the advanced tab. Time range, change this to all time. Browsing history, check. Download history, check. Cookies and other site data, check. Cached images and files, check. Site settings, checked. Hosted app data, check. Passwords and other sign-in data, do not check that. Autofill form data, do not check that. And finally, click on delete data. Once done, close this window. Then locate your Roblox player. Right-click on it, select Show More Options. Click on Properties. Now here you will find General Shortcut Compatibility and Digital Signatures. Click on the Compatibility tab. Now you have here Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Check this. And run this program as an administrator. Check this. Click on Apply and then OK. And for the last method is we are going to uninstall the application if the issue keeps on persisting. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane in the list of options, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Then here, search for Roblox. Then click on these three dots, select Uninstall and then Uninstall once again. Now we are going to open our favorite browser or just bring up any browser that you have on your Windows like Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Type here Roblox download and then hit on enter. Scroll down and you'll find www.roblox.com. Download Roblox. Click on it. Click on download Windows app. Then double click on the installer file. And this will install Roblox for you. So let's just wait for this. So let us open the Roblox application. This one, the Roblox player. Then here, you can just simply sign in with your account and continue enjoying the Roblox application. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.